So this is the first time that the museum has invited in an outside group to curate an exhibition. Usually those things are put together by people that are involved with the museum, that work for the museum.
It's a nice atmosphere because I've never been to an art museum in my life until I started this project.
First I was a bit dubious about it, but I think I'm learning more and seeing nice things.
It was one of the ways that we thought we could make clear to everyone that the museum is for everyone. Museums aren't just for the people that work there, they aren't for the privileged, they aren't for the few. Museums belong to everyone.
Going down into the vaults, I expected it to be a big dark room with spiders' webs, and it was all very compact, and it's amazing how they use space and kind of unwind things and then reveal all these different paintings and etchings.
So you get like a second perspective of the museum and how it actually runs.
It's a collection of work that's been purchased with help from an organisation called the Derek Williams Trust. So everything in the collection has been created in about the past 50 years, some of it very, very new.
I see different things in different pictures, and if I like what I see, I will say, but then there's other pictures that are totally not my style, and I will express my opinion on that too.
Is that yourself?
I am choosing the mothers and babies portraits because it reminds me of my family. Happy times.
I prefer the bronzes, simply because they're actually 3D. You can actually walk around it and see it as a shape.
I think starting off and actually just asking that fundamental question, what is art, who is it for, was an excellent starting point.
I'd love to stand and just stare into a painting and what moods they create. I like that photograph of the quarry because it reminds me of time spent in North Wales with my parents when I was very young.
Who they are as a group, that they're homeless people, I don't know yet myself how important that is, and it's hard to tell, isn't it?
I'm drawn to works which tell you something about the landscape, particularly the landscape of Wales. And I'm biased towards Welsh artists, so I'd like them to be well represented here.
It's going to open on Halloween anyway, so I thought, why not have an Halloween corner or creepy corner or wherever it is may be, so yeah, see what happens.
I'm excited by seeing the museum as an organisation handing over the power